All right, all done for the day. We got almost 500. I think we're right at 460 something. So these ones actually take a little bit of time. So we got to work from a ladder, so it's kind of sketchy. Oh, we knocked them out. So we got 1, 2, 3, and then we got, I think, 5 more down the road. Today's Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. We should be across the street at the giant field panel site, whatever. So we'll see you tomorrow. All right, got a sketchy one here. This one I had to make like a little platform and stuff. So you can see where I gotta move because I'm on top of this pile, so I couldn't really quite reach that one. But boop. It's so dirty. Yeah.
Cordyceps, right? You need to readjust your cordyceps.
Alright, so we're on the backside of the ones that we just did. Let's see if we get a view of it. Out there's the background. Big old sucker, man. I saw one out here, dude. It was huge. I think it was the first day we were out here. Dude, it like, I'm telling you, it's 6 foot wingspan at least. I mean, I think we're looking for like an open view, but they look great. We did a really good job. So today, we brought the rinse prints. It's that long pole that Buddy's holding right there. Oh, I kicked you off. Let me kick you back on. Probably remove the tank. Don't fall, dude. Anyways, we got a lot done. Been a busy week. Oh, sorry, Robbie. Crazy, dude. Catching heck of lightning strikes on camera. Try to get one on my phone here.
This will be okay.
It started raining on it. Which actually is gonna help us. Thank you. This would be a good example to show that, you know, even after all of these are rinsed by the rain, you know, they're not gonna be clean. Dude,
Googling it, bro.
dude, solar fields are magnet for lightning. Holy cow, dude. I can't believe we got that on camera.
Oh, dad.
Dude. Calling it a day. It's only 12 of them done. Dang, dude, great. See, even after the heavy rain, you can still see a clear difference that haven't been cleaned, you know? And over here too, so they're closing that gap. And we're working this way. See, big difference, even after the rain. Really get some red ants, I guess. Took his shoes off and everything.